Personalized bridal denim jackets are such a hot trend in the wedding market right now. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you could make money by selling these personalized bridal denim jackets. Some people call them the honeymoon jacket. Whatever you call them, we're going to be looking at what keywords are best to use if you're selling these on Etsy. We're going to be analyzing some sales data and looking at the best pricing we could use for these denim jackets. And then we're going to be looking at how you could make a denim jacket using print on demand through Printify, because they've just added a denim jacket as a new product on Printify. I step into the video and I'll show you how to do this. So if we come into Etsy and we do a search for bride jean jacket, that's really simple. If we did a search for that, you can see here that we get over 1,000 results. And as you can see, this is such a popular trend, and we've got quite a number of bestsellers and popular now stickers on them. That just shows you that these are selling really well. So for example, if we clicked on this one, you can see it's in demand. 13 people bought this in the last 24 hours. So that just shows you that there's demand for this product. And it's also a good product because you can personalize it. And I believe you can use it not just for the wedding niche, but you can use it for professions or birthday gifts. So there's quite a number of uses, but the most one that I've seen on Etsy is as a bridal jacket, or some people would call them honeymoon jackets. So that's the wedding trend that we're seeing at the moment. I'll just show you some of the statistics around this using another tool. So at the moment I'm using this tool called etsyshop AI, and I'm using the Chrome extension here. And when you use that, you can see already for some of the products, you can see a 7-day sales number, which just shows you how well that is selling, and the number of favorites. I believe favorites show you the trend or what's popular. So over 10,000 favorites for this item, which was listed just at Christmas 2023, and it has already sold 6,256 times. So that's just a really good seller. So we'll just click into it and have another look. With this one, you can see as well 21 people have bought this in the last 24 hours. And don't worry about this price here, because this one is a display price. As soon as you put in your size and your option, like for example you want to customize it at the back, you can see that the price goes up. And already here this shop has got a 60% off sale, so that's why the price is there. But with etsyshop AI, you can delve in and look at some of the statistics and even the tags that have been used for this product. So I really love etsyshop AI, and I'll put a link to their website in the description so you can have another look. We'll just have a look at also Alura. I like to use Alura as well to just show some of the sales figures. So if we come here to Alura and we just use their Chrome extension as well, we can see that this jacket has made a revenue of almost $200,000 in the last 12 months. And it's been open for just under 2 years. We'll look at another bestseller, 720 sales, a revenue of $15,000 in the last 12 months. And that shop has been open for under 2 years as well. So these search engine optimization tools like Alura, like EtsyShop AI are just good to show you what's actually happening and give you the data behind the best sellers that you see on Etsy. So, okay, so I hope that helps. So now if we look at how you would price your denim jackets, but I just wanted to show you this Etsy fee calculator, which will show you exactly how much you can make if you were selling this. So for example, I looked at some of the products that are selling, and on average, if we convert the price to US dollars, if we were selling them for $55, which is what I was seeing on Etsy roughly, and the production cost if you were using Printify would be around $38. So I'll just show you this product on Printify. So this is the women's denim jacket. It's a new product on Printify, and at the moment there's this one provider who can make and sell these. So when you look, if we look at the pricing here, we can see what the price would be for getting it made and also for shipping it. And if we go back to our Etsy calculator, so the price of production, if we convert that to US dollars, would be about 38, and the shipping about 14. So when you calculate that, you would be making about 11 US dollars per item, which is pretty good, but that's even with that sale price on. So that's not the full price. So if you were selling it for slightly more, that means your profit would be more as well. So that's just how you would look at pricing. I would first look at what the other sellers are selling that product for, and then I'd look for a position or a profit margin that suits. Now we'll look at how you can make this product for yourself using Printify. Come here to Printify. If you don't know what print on demand is a business model where you design, you make the designs, you make what you want your customer to get. So it might be the personalization of their name on the back of the jacket. You make the design, and then a company like Printify will actually make the jacket and ship it to your customer. So you're not holding any inventory, which is pretty good. So what you would do if you were using Printify is you would come here to that product, which would be in their catalog, and Printify have a huge catalog of items, and one of the items that they've recently added is this women's denim jacket. So if we come here, we can see the pricing, and when we go to start designing, we will then take the design area here. For you to add your design, it needs to be these dimensions here, 3150 by 3150 pixels. So now we'll come to Canva and start our design process. In Canva, we'll create a custom design using those dimensions we just got. And so for this video, we're just going to make a very simple text-based design. After that, we will download that design so we can use it in Printify. We'll use it as a PNG, transparent background, and down. Now we're back in Printify. We'll upload our design from our device. Here's our design. Looks pretty good.